Welcome to episode 3 of How to Build an Actually Useful Space Station. Today we're adding a fuel module to the station, so let's jump right in. I start with a 2.5-meter probe core and add some SAS and a large battery. Then I add a large RCS fuel tank, which we will keep fully fueled. Then I add a large 2.5-meter diameter fuel tank, making sure to remove all the fuel from it before launch. I can then add the docking ports and some RCS thrusters, and then the fuel module is basically ready. Now we can work on the upper stage. Like always, I add a probe core to the upper stage so we can deorbit it, and I decide to use a fairly small tank with a Poodle engine and some Werner engines. I then add a nose cone to the top of the fuel module instead of putting it in a fairing. Here, it's important to add the separatrons to the nose cone asymmetrically to ensure we don't hit it when we jettison it during ascent. We can once again build a small launcher stage as our upper stage is so efficient. But just like that, we're ready to launch. Now, just like last time, we're going to have to time our launch right to make sure we launch into the same orbital plane as the station. But after we get into orbit, it's fairly standard rendezvous procedures. After ditching the upper stage, we can dock the module to the large docking port on the station. Make sure to follow to see what gets added in episode 4.